Illuvium Land is an NFT that you can own and play in our Alluvium Zero mobile and desktop companion game. There are 5 tiers of Illuvium Land. Higher tiers represent increasing rarity and higher fuel generation. Tier 3 and 4 plots also feature rare landmarks that significantly boost output. Tier 5 plots feature legendary arena landmarks that host official Illuvium sports tournaments and feature exclusive revenue-earning opportunities. Illuvium Land or Alluvium is very new to the market, so for those who actually don't know about it, let's see. But before that, welcome back to your channel Crypto World, where you'll get all the crypto knowledge. And yes, do remember that this video is not financial advice, so do your research before investing anywhere. So without any further delay, let's get started. What is Illuvium Ilv? Alluvium is an upcoming blockchain game that takes place in an open-world RPG setting. Players collect creatures called Illuvials, each with a class and affinity. There are 5 classes and 5 affinities that have their strengths and weaknesses. As you win battles against other players and complete quests, your Illuvials become more powerful. Alluvium has 2 ERC-20 project altcoins on Ethereum, Illuvium, and SILV. Token holders can use ILV to liquidity mine, take part in governance, and earn rewards. There is a lockup period for ILV rewards, but SILV can be used in-game immediately. Alluvium also uses NFTs to represent each alluvial, an in-game item that can also be traded on external NFT marketplaces. To start earning ILV and SILV, you can purchase the token on Binance and begin staking on Alluvium's staking platform. You can also stake partner tokens in their flash pools for ILV. How does Alluvium work? Alluvium is an open-world RPG blockchain game built on Ethereum that will be released in 2022. Players travel across a fantasy world, defeating and catching creatures known as alluvials. After adding them to your collection, you can use your monsters in battles against other players while you're questing, completing challenges, or playing through Alluvium's story. Alluvium also has its own tokens, ILV and NFTs, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs, that represent creatures, cosmetic upgrades, and functional items. The game will have play-to-earn features rewarding gamers with ILV tokens for completing challenges, quests, and battles. What is Illuvium Ilv token? Illuvium Ilv is an ERC-20 token on the Ethereum blockchain with various use cases within the game and ecosystem. The ILV price is determined through a mix of speculation of the game's success and its utility in staking. The token comes in 2 different forms, Ilv and NFTs. ILV rewards are vested for a year, but NFTs can be used immediately in the game. There will only ever be a combined total supply total of 7 million ILV and NFTs. 3 million will be distributed as staking rewards, giving a 10 million maximum supply. As many users stake their coins already, the circulating supply will be lower. There are 3 primary uses for ILV. 1. Players are rewarded with ILV coins for their successes and achievements when playing the game. 2. Holders can stake ILV in the Alluvium vault. Takers receive rewards in ILV or NFTs. 3. Holders can participate in the game's governance via the Alluvium Decentralized Autonomous Organization (DAO). The Illuminati Council allows for community collaboration in creating game improvement proposals and other changes to the governance model. As an ERC-20 token, users moving ILV and NFTs will have to pay Ethereum gas fees. As these can sometimes be expensive, we get to see how they will successfully implement ERC-20 transactions into the game and still make it affordable. You can find Alluvium's latest market price an all-time high on Binance and CoinMarketCap. After some basics, let's talk more about Illuvium Land NFT. Before you purchase a plot, you already know its grid position, location on the map, the region it belongs to, its tier level, and the corresponding number of element and fuel sites. You do not know which specific sites are on the land or the position of these sites. These are randomly generated upon minting. Tier. There are 5 tiers in total. Tier affects the number of element and fuel sites and the landmarks available. Element sites. Elements are used to construct structures in Alluvium Zero and power activities like extracting fuel. Fuel sites. Fuel is used for constructing advanced structures and can be sold for ETH. Landmarks. Available on Tier 3-5 lands. Location. Plot location is relevant for future expansions where adjacent land may be merged to form a megacity. While the tier and number of resource sites are fixed for each land plot, we use a random seed to deterministically generate which site and landmark details that comprise the land plot. Once purchased, IMX mints the NFT containing the complete details of the land plot. Unique information about your land is stored on Immutable X. This information is read by games like Alluvium, Zero, and on our Illuvidex market exchange. Land regions. Land exists in one of the 7 regions of the world that each drone was dispatched to. Each region has common alluvials of a particular affinity that are more likely to pass through. Last but not the least, Alluvium fuel pricing. Alluvium. Zero aims to give landowners some agency, including influencing the fuel price when they swap, impacting the main Alluvium, overworld, and arena game economy. To ensure we maintain a healthy economy, we have implemented a system that keeps the fuel price within 25% of the intended price. If you're not interested in the technical details behind this, you can skip to the next section, owning and playing multiple lands. The following section is complex, but as fuel is a significant part of the in-game economy, we wish to explain the BalancePull Mechanism. In-game transactions are priced in fuel. Since this could cause real-world fuel prices to fluctuate depending on the actions of the landholders, the DAO automatically supplies or withdraws fuel from the BalancePull if the price differs by more than 25%. Practically, suppose the demand for fuel is higher or lower than the production. In that case, the real-world price of fuel-related actions can increase or decrease up to 25%. Landholders can choose to sell when the price is high, while players can wait for low prices. Eventually, the economy reaches equilibrium. Note, players cannot swap NFTs 2 for fuel. Instead, NFTs 2 acts as an alternative to fuel for in-game purchases and is pegged 1:1 to the price of $. The Illuvium DAO can adjust the parameters of the base price for fuel or the percentage variance allowed. An Illuvium improvement proposal (IB) is required for this to occur. Concluding all this, Illuvium Land is an opportunity to own a piece of the world's first AAA blockchain game and share ongoing revenue. The Illuvium universe constantly evolves with many plans for the future. The long-term goal is a vibrant and thriving ecosystem of games and personal interactions. Player-owned land is the heart of that vision. We encourage landowners to participate in governance on our Discord server, and hopefully, this article helps you understand the significance of land within the Illuvium ecosystem. Whether a collector or a competitor, understanding land and the Illuvium economy helps maximize your earning potential. So finally, the thing you guys were waiting for. How to buy Illuvium Land, step-by-step guide. Like most NFT purchases, users need to first do a few essential activities before venturing into the actual NFT land purchase. Imagine yourself going to the gym. Before actually starting to work out, you'll need to actually get ready by wearing gym clothes, putting your gym accessories and food in your bag, and grabbing that life-saving deodorant Few. That's why before you actually embark into NFT buying, make sure to do the following. Download MetaMask and create a wallet. If you don't know how, click on this link. Buy some Ether. If you don't know how, we also got you covered. Click here for an easy guide. Send your purchased Ether to your MetaMask wallet. Make sure you send an amount higher than the land price gas fees. Now that you are ready, you can proceed with actually going to the Illuvidex platform where you'll buy your NFT land. Go to Illuvidex. Connect your MetaMask wallet and sign the permissions needed. And yeah, you're all set to browse the lands available and make your first purchase. So that is all we have for you today. Tell us your picks among these in the comments section. And consider subscribing to the Crypto World for more amazing crypto videos daily. Peace out.